Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks for sharing your time with us. Today we show you how to make the Salon Vanity and chair that complements American Girl's upcoming Day Spa playset. Give your dolls a stylish hairstyle with this double-sided vanity and matching salon chair. If you enjoy this video, we'd love it if you hit that like button, subscribe to support our channel, and turn on the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Okay, let's get making! For the vanity countertop, we are using the foam board cutout from the bathtub in our original Day Spa video. Place a regular breakfast bowl over the foam board to trace, then cut a curve at each end. On the underside, measure and mark the center point. This will help us later when positioning the drawer unit. Now, cover the top with clear contact paper for a shiny finish. From 5mm foam board, cut out the pieces for the drawer section. You need the base, back wall, side walls, and a thicker 10mm center dividing wall. For this step, we will use liquid glue. Position the left and right side walls on top of the base piece, flush with the front edge. Then affix the back wall. Glue your dividing wall in the middle, leaving a 0.5 centimeter gap at the front. Now cut out your drawer pieces. Again, glue the side walls to the base. Then slip the back wall in between. Repeat to make a second drawer. Cut 2 drawer fronts. Keep them unattached for now. Paint the drawer and drawer unit a light pink. Next, cut paperboard rectangles that are slightly longer than the drawer fronts. Glue them to the foam board, allowing 2 cm of overhang at one end and a 0.5 cm at the bottom. Paint pink, then attach the drawer front to your drawers. Using the guidelines we made earlier, attach the drawer unit, matching up the center dividing wall with your center line. For this step, we used hot glue. Now insert your 2 drawers and gently bend the excess paperboard to mimic the curved finish in AG's version. For the vanity legs, we are recycling IKEA children's hangers. You need 2 15cm lengths that include the curved end and a straight piece. Space the legs 14 cm apart and mark where to cut the straight piece. The angle of your cut will depend on how much curve your hanger has. Hot glue this piece in between to complete the leg. Repeat to make a second, then paint them gold. While the legs dry, let's work on the vanity mirror. Start with a rectangle of thick foam board. Cut away a triangle from each top corner that is 4 by 6 cm. On paperboard, trace your new shape. Draw a 1 cm border inside the lines, then cut out to get just the frame. Stack and glue your frames too thick with the top frame painted gold. For the mirror, we have silver reflective cardstock, and for the back side, faux chalkboard cardstock. Trace, cut and glue down your specialty cardstock, followed by a gold frame. We also adhered strips of gold painted paperboard around the edge. Hot glue your mirror to the countertop, centered and set back 4 cm from the edge with the drawers. You can now attach the legs. We pre-cut slits, then secured them into the foam board with hot glue. Flip your vanity around, it's time to make the wash bowl area. For this, we used a paper bowl bought in the party section of our grocery store. Its circumference is big enough to fit an AG doll head, but it's slightly too tall. To fix this, we cut the bowl in half, then rewrapped the top section, overlapping it around the bottom half and securing it in place with tape. Now it stands just over 5 cm tall. Next, cut out a semicircle from the front of the bowl, then paint it white. To the back of the wash bowl, we glued rolled paper tubes to hold our tap, which is made from a segment of paper straw with a short piece of popsicle stick glued on top, and a shower head. You can see how we made this in our previous Day Spa video. Slip the tap into the tube, but do not glue it down. This way it can swivel side to side. Adhere plastic tubing, string or ribbon into the handle of the shower head for a hose. Then feed it through the other tube, securing to the back of the wash bowl with hot glue. Pull the extra hose through the tube so the handle can rest inside. To complete the look, glue a silver painted button inside the bowl. We made the towel rail from a thin wooden dowel and wooden mini bobbins. Paint gold to match the set, then glue to the back of your drawer unit. But our salon vanity is not complete without the styling chair. From 10mm foam board, cut the chair seat, backrest and 2 arms. Now cut a right angle triangle from one side of each arm piece to make a trapezoid shape. The chair leg is a thick cardboard tube cut down to 10 centimeters. The base is a thick plastic plate. Center the tube on the plate to trace, then cut out a matching circle. Push your tube into the hole, anchoring on the underside with lots of hot glue. Off screen, we painted the leg and base gold. Following this, we covered the chair pieces with pink plastic tablecloth to mimic vinyl. Before assembling, flip over your seat piece and partially cut a hole in the foam board for the leg. Using hot glue, attach the angled edge of your arm pieces to the backrest as seen on screen. Then glue the backrest and arms to the seat. Fill the pre-cut hole with lots of hot glue and insert your leg. Check the chair is balanced and sitting level while the glue sets. Excellent! Set up your DIY salon with styling tools, shampoo bottles and a plant for colour. Thanks so much for spending your time with us today, and be sure to come back soon for more miniature crafting fun!